collecting my post from Lamlash from the post office. Oh, it's a beautiful drive down this is. Oh, it's lovely in the sunshine. What a lovely day, eh? What a lovely road. Wow. Whoa. Beautiful road this is. Oh, steady, Stephen. Oh, look at that for a view, guys. Absolutely stunning. Epic, eh? We've got a golf course there as well. We're coming into Lamlash. Lovely jubbly, just past Broddick. Little Lamlash village. Got some nice diners, restaurants, all sorts here. It's where I collect all my postal stuff. I've changed from Pern Mill post office over to Lamlash. Lamlash is easier to get to. Lovely jubbly. Just rolling into the bay. The glorious bay at Lamlash. Oh, what a beautiful day it is today. It is stunning weather today. It's like bloody August. Lovely. Right, we'll soon be there at the post office. Collect my phone. I've got a protective case as well. Hopefully I'll stop smashing the screen. The screen on the iPhone 12 is a lot better than the X Pro. Here we are. Lovely jubbly. Back at you later. Right, I'll get some shopping as well. I think I'll top up with water as well, if I can get in by the tap. Lovely jubbly. Look at this, I've got birds to my feed. Oh, amazing is that? Can't see very clear, it's a bit of a messy day today. Oh, I can't believe it. First time using it, and I've got birds coming to it already. How amazing is that? To be nice on a clear day when the sun's out. It's a bit miserable today. Guys, I've been up about an hour. Got up about 6:30, and I'm in a tight little lay-by. There's only enough room for me and perhaps a visitor in the front of me. There's no way out that way for me. I'm tucked right in out the way. Lovely jubbly. It's Skye having a bit of a snooze. It's been rainy today. I've had some birds at my feeder as well. Lovely jubbly. And I've woke up this morning, come outside my door, and I've got a car there, and a bloody car there, and you see how close they are together, and I can't get out the van. I can't move the van. So if I wanted to go anywhere today, I'd be in the bloody crap. If I had an emergency or something and I needed to get out, you know, I don't, just turn that camera in. You know, I don't mind bloody people parking and buy me or whatever and all that. But in a tight situation like this, you'd think they'd have the courtesy to knock the bloody door and say, are we all right here for an hour or so? Whatever they're doing. I think they're walking or something, or gone for a hike somewhere. But how bloody inconsiderate to park up like that outside my bloody van. I can't move an inch. If I need some shopping, or Skye's ill, or I'm ill, I need to get to the doctors or emergency or whatever, I can't bloody well move till these guys pedal off. How bloody inconsiderate. I don't mind them parking there. I haven't got an issue with that at all. You know, we've all got a right to park anywhere we like, you know, within reason. But at least knock the door and say, how long are you here for? Do you mind us parking there? We're only going for an hour's walk or something or whatever. They'll probably be there for the bloody day, and I can't move. I won't move in anyway. Just having a ramble. As you do, have a ramble. I'm trapped. Thumbnail. Trapped in van life. Gotta love it, eh? Catch you later. Oh, blimey, O'Reilly. What a beautiful day again. It was bloody evil first thing, but it's turned into another stunning day like yesterday. Oh, it's 20 past Guinness, 20 past 2 in the afternoon. It's bloody lovely. I've sorted my iPhone out. Fucking hell. You know, it took me 5, nearly 6 hours, plus overloading, transferring the data from one iPhone to the other overnight. Took about 10 hours. Then the next morning, it was all set up. I thought, brilliant. I went to YouTube, and Country Van Life YouTube wasn't on there. My old YouTube channel was on there. And do you think I could get that bloody channel across? Watch this channel. Oh, what a bloody nightmare. Took me bloody 5 hours, kept locking me out, come back, you're locked out for an hour, or fucking hell, did I go around the bushes, and somehow I managed it. Somehow I clicked something, I don't know what, don't ask me what I clicked, but the YouTube email address came up and the YouTube channel came up, and we're on. We're cracking. We're back on a good phone. Well, it's a refurbished phone, but it'll do for now. That's all we can do with our bloody budget, but got a better camera on it, hopefully. I'll be able to do a lot more on it. Got better microphones and better sound and everything on it, lovely, so I won't have no issues. Better battery as well. iPhone 12 this one is, and I've got it in a protective case, so hopefully I won't smash the bloody screen. Right, just doing the Skye, something bloody lovely dinner. You know, this dog gets fed better than I do, I tell you what. She really does. I really do cherish my dog. I've got some cake in there, I've got dog food in there, I've got dog biscuits in there. I've just put in a bit of bread in there, she loves bread in there as well. And I'll put a little bit of water in there. And also what I do, you know, I only use a cheap tin dog food, nothing special. She won't eat any dog food, she'll have some dog food, she'll put her nose in, and she'll walk away from it. She'll eat it later on in the day when she gets really hungry. But a lot of the dog food, she turns her nose up at it. But the secret is, get nice cheap dog food, and I'll just get a tin of tuna. I only put about a spoonful of tuna in, of the tuna flakes and tuna juice, just a spoonful in the mixture, with a little bit of water, and it works an absolute dream. Skye, be quiet. She's all right, she's friendly. So there you go, so a little bit of tuna in there, and they'll eat anything. Just a touch of tuna, secret guys, they love tuna. Right, I'll go and give this to Skye. Oh, just sitting here enjoying this glorious sunshine. It is amazing. This Skye munching a dinner. She won't leave a scrap of that, guys. So there you go, it's a good tip for you. Nice cheap dog food, biscuits and bread. Couple of cars. There's a big fell race going on today. Hundreds of them have gone up the fells. Apparently they're doing about 50k every run they do, over the saddle, over the mountains, round to the point. Blimey, all round the island. Oh Christ, I have trouble walking up there, never mind bloody running up there. Jesus, I couldn't run up there to save me bleeding life. Maybe when I was younger, but blimey. So there's been a few people about today, but they're all going now, it's all finished. So that's a good tip, guys. Cheap dog food, tin of tuna, either in brine or in water, and a small tin of tuna, which is about £1 something for a tin of tuna in it. But a tin of tuna will last me 5 or 6 meals for her. I'll just put a spoonful of the tuna in, and she'll eat anything then. She'll eat all the nice cheap dog food. Not that I'm, you know, mingy with food like. She gets well bloody fed, I tell you. She has half of my dinners as well, so lovely. Wow, look at this. Oh, I could get a suntan here. Quite, if I sat in this for 2-3 hours, I'd get a suntan. I've got my solar panels out again. Lovely. Tim and his lovely lady came to see me today. Lovely to see those guys, so I'll see them later. A couple of people pop by here in this camp, which is lovely. Mick's over the back there somewhere. Hope he gets off the grass because it rained in the night. And Denise and her husband came by as well. Lovely jubbly, eh? Lovely to see folk. Even on a remote island like this, I still get found, but I love it. I love the Vanfam. Team country, eh? We love it. We love it. And I'm so happy I've got this phone now. It's going to solve a lot of my issues, it really is. So lovely to see Tim and his lovely lady. I'll be seeing them later on again today. In the week, I think they're on the island for a couple more weeks. I saw Tim a couple of months ago on the island. He's a lovely chap, Tim. He's a lovely lady too. And we had a nice chat this afternoon. He gave some guys some treats as well. And he's given me an underwater little camera as well, which he doesn't use anymore. So I'll be able to do a lot more underwater filming as well. So thanks, Tim. You're a bleeding legend, mate. You're a bleeding legend. I do like Tim. He's a nice bloke. He's got a lovely van as well. Right. I'm just going to sit here and do feck all. Absolutely feck all. Got a light show this afternoon. Lovely. The battery life on this, it hasn't moved since I powered it up. The battery hasn't moved, so I'll have loads of battery on this new phone. Hopefully the images is better, the colouring's better as well, the sound's better. We'll get a lot more quality videos. That's what we want on country. She's hit every scrap of that. Every scrap. They'll lick the balls out when there's a bit of tuna in there. Well, love you all. Stay cosy. Catch you later. Feathered friends. I've got my trial camera right up his nose as well. Oh, I've just woken up. It's about just coming up to 7 o'clock in the morning. And away he goes. See you all on Sundays. 4 o'clock every Sunday. As long as we can get a signal wherever we are. There's a male. He's eating the nuts. Or a peanut. They're not having a go at the fat balls yet. They don't seem to like those, but beautiful, Just sat here. This is my morning TV. Lovely. Have a nice day. Lovely. Looks like it's going to be another lovely morning. It's early in the morning. I've just set my trial camera up over my bird feeder, my window bird feeder that I've adapted. Put the trial camera there so we can get a nice closey uppy of the wee birds coming in. That'll be nice. Hopefully that'll work out. Skye, you right, Skye? Lovely jubbly. Right, we'll crack on with the day. Right, my lovelies, how are you all doing? Look at that blue sky. Wow. We're back at a favourite camp of mine. Meeting up with a good friend of mine, Timo. Offgrid Sprinter. He's on Instagram, YouTube. And he's here with his lovely lady, Angie. And they're leaving tomorrow. I think they're leaving tomorrow in the morning. Here's Skye. Lovely jubbly on this lovely camp. You say you're leaving tomorrow, Tim? What, in the morning or? Oh, blimey. So, here we are, guys, back at the camp. We've got the seals out there as usual. Never disappoint down here, as all the wildlife. And we've got a rare beast on the rocks there. Can you see that? That's what you call an Angie. That's an Angie. You only get Angies on the island. We've got one over there. This is Timo's lovely little spit barbecue. Look at that bloody thing. That's a nice piece of kit. I wouldn't mind one of those on country. Look at that. Get his chickens in there and everything. I think we're going to have some pork chops, aren't we, Tim?
We are.
Oh, and sausages. Look at that for a piece of kit. Is that AC control, yeah? Is it AC, running on AC?
You can't get 12 volts.
Yeah.
But the stainless ones are geared on 12 volts.
Well, we've got power stations now, haven't we? So there's no issue, is there?
Yeah.
Look at that piece of kit. Get a whole bloody, get a small pig in there. Alright, yeah. That is bloody impressive. We'll come back later, we'll show you how the chops are doing. We've put some nice honey roast chops on there. Lovely jubbly. There's Skye down there, there's Tim's, Angie. It's lovely out here. The wind's dropping a bit. We've got a ferry coming in over there. Over from Mandrassen. You got Brodick over there. There's 1 or 2 seals in the bay. Right, we're settling here for the evening. Have a couple of drinks. Have some nice barbecued food. With nice company. And the mad nutter down there as well. It's a nice hot box, that is. I've got a hot box, but it's not that big. Right, we'll come back when we got the grub on. Lovely jubbly. Sausages are looking nice. Lovely. You know, sausage Skye. Oi, you sausage. Lovely. It's working a treat, that is. Do you smell dinner, Skye? Eh? Do you smell dinner? We are rocking here. Look at this lot. We are rocking. Chops, corn, sausages. Hungry dog. Look at that for a view, eh? Barbecue with a view. It's getting a bit cloudy now, getting a bit cooler. For a feast. Oh, it's all going on here. Salad and I've not got you in hand. Looks absolutely lovely. And there's loads on there. I think we've got guests coming, I don't know. I think we've invited the island. Catch you later. We got Skye. No, not for you. Daddy's. No, get your nose out. You monkey. You've had a sausage. Get your nose out. Lovely. Having evening supper and a beautiful view. Can I beat it? Right guys, early in the morning. Tim's leaving now, they're on the way. Here he goes. Tim and Angie. They're leaving us, we're back on our own again. Lovely jubbly, love to meet them. There you go. On his way in his lovely truck. Cheers Tim, cheers Angie, thanks for their kindness. A lovely barbecue, we had a lovely night last night. And away they go, they got the ferry in about an hour's time, so they're getting over to the other side of the bay, starting my bloody air. And away they go. Travel safe guys, lovely to see you. And we'll see them again, for sure. We'll see Tim and Angie again, that's lovely. And we're here on our lonesome again on the island. It's always a bit sad when I'm with folks for a couple of days and they leave and it's back to me and Skye again. Starts my bloody hair. I've only been up about half an hour. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning now. But lovely jubbly. The ferry's not in yet, so should be coming across soon, or I can see it coming across the horizon. But it's going to be a glorious day today, the next couple of days. Apparently it's going to be water or sunshine the next 2 days, which is nice. So I may have a go at getting up the peaks, getting up the mountain. Lovely jubbly, right, get back in. Kettle's on, mother. I've had a cup of tea already, I've been up about half an hour or so. Let's get this day started. Catch you later. Ta-ra, Tim, Angie. Have a safe sail across the wee sea. Alright, back at ya, lovely jubbly. What a lovely day it is again. 4 days of sunshine, and it's going to be sunny tomorrow as well. And then the crap weather's coming back, I think. But make the most of it while you can. Oh, it's just lovely to have the sun in your face. Even though it's bloody, the wind is still chilly. Oh, the winds are still really cold. But lovely. Right, what I'm going to do now, I've got to find that bloody mic. So I lost my mic. I didn't realise till the end of the night that my mic wasn't on my bloody shirt when I come in, and we tried to search for it and bloody blah. Put a bit of a stink on the end of the night losing that bloody mic. But I'm quite hopeful I'm going to find it. It's where I sat somewhere, where Skye jumped up me. It can only be there. She must have jumped up and a foot must have caught my mic and pulled it off. So it's in the grass there somewhere, so I'm hopeful I'll find it. And I'll go out now and get my metal detector out and we'll have a look. But it was lovely to meet Tim. I met Tim a few times, he's a lovely chap. And Angie's lovely as well. They're a lovely couple. And hopefully I'll meet them again sometime soon. Vanfam forever. It's the beauty of Vanlife, the people you meet, all like-minded, lovely people, so kind. And Tim and Angie gave me a couple of gifts as well, which is so heartwarming and really is lovely. But it is lovely to have company. So I'll go and sort that find that mic. It's down there somewhere, I know it's down there. It didn't rain in the night, so it won't be ruined or anything, thank God. If it had rained in the night, it'll probably be ruined. That's if I find it. But I'm pretty hopeful I'll find it with my metal detector. So we'll sort that out, and we'll get on our way to a new adventure. Whether I stay here and go up the mountain today or tomorrow, I wanted to do some fishing. Now, I didn't think there was a tackle shop on the island, but there is. There's a fishing tackle shop down at Lamlash. So I might go down there, but my bloody freezer's not working, which is a pain in the arse. If I buy some bait, I'm going to have to use it bloody all and throw it away when I finish with it, because I can't keep it without the freezer. Bloody fridge is still knackered. I've tried it again today, it's still not bloody working. So it looks like I'm going to have to swap that out or invest in a bloody compressor. I don't know, we'll have to see. See how the shekels go. But we'll see what we're doing anyway, and I'll come back to you later. But let's go and find that bloody mic. Bloody hell. I'm a bloody dipstick, honestly. Catch you later. Right, let's take you outside. Got my music playing today. This is where I had a barbecue with Tim. Last night, lovely as jubbly it was too. Don't know if you can see me there. Let's get that camera up straight. I'm on my SLR camera here, so a bit awkward. Right, so there we go. It's a lovely, glorious sunny day. Yeah, it was lovely spending time with Tim and Angie. They've gone now. They're way back on the mainland now. They took the ferry this morning. And when I was having the barbecue last night, got a bit of Celtic music playing in the background, lovely. I love Celtic music. Yeah, when we had the barbecue last night, you know my DJI mic, I've got 2 mics and the receiver. I was having the barbecue, and at the end of the night, after a lovely night, lovely barbecue, thanks Tim, thanks Angie, it's beautiful. It was a lovely night. And yeah, at the end of the night when I was going in, I looked for my mic on my lapel and it was gone. So there's 2 mics, this is my spare mic. Now I've lost the other one. You know how expensive these bloody DJI mics are. I need to find it. Now, I did go for a walk on the beach, but I don't think it came off there. I was sitting here having my food, and after my dinner, Skye was jumping all over me, like playing around. And it's come off here somewhere, but you think we could find it last night. We was all looking for it last night. We couldn't find the damn thing. So I've got my metal detector out today. So hopefully we'll find it. It's here somewhere. Where I was sitting about here by these lovely bluebells. So it's here somewhere, it's got to be here somewhere. So we'll get the metal detector rocking and rolling. And we'll see if we can find it. Yeah, just sensing that up. Yeah, that's on. Got my wee metal detector. Right. I was sat exactly here. Blue bells to me there. Skye was jumping up and down me. So whether it's fell into the grass or whatever. What's that? Ping straight away. He'll be just tucked in the grass somewhere. He's probably just dropped him behind a bloody leaf or something. Oh, that's a tin can down there. It won't be on this bloody short grass, will it? I'd be able to see it. It's got to be in this bloody thick stuff somewhere. That's it. I can see a tin can down there tucked in the grass. What's that? Oh, that's a pull ring off a Coke can. Come on, it's got to be here. So I've just got my hose pipe out there, trying to straighten it out in the warm sun. It's a nail. Come on, got to be here somewhere. And it won't be in this short grass, will it? It's quite, you know, it's that bloody size. It's that size there. That's just my spare mic, so it's quite big. It's got to be in the bloody grass somewhere. Actually, let's just test this mic, see what beep I get off this mic, and that'll give me some idea of the numbers I need. 47 is the number I need. So hopefully I can bypass. Is that mic still on? Yeah. So I can bypass anything that's not 47. Because if it comes up 47, then I know it's a mic, and not because there's lots of rubbish here. People have barbecues and whatever. So I should imagine in the summer anyway. So we're looking for a 47. 66 now. 74. Bloody hell, that's a high one. It's a bit of a high peep. What's that tin can over there? Tin can is 62. Come on. It's got to be here somewhere. It's probably bounced off Skye and gone bloody miles. Oh. That's a 40. That's dashing between 44 and 48. Oh, it's just sat by the side of the rock. Oh, I can't bring the camera to show you guys. Oh, bloody hell. I'm so bleeding chuffed. Let's have a look. I'll just show you this. Bring you up. Oh, I'm so bloody chuffed. That's saved me a bloody fortune. What was it now? It's just down here. It's just gone down this rock here. See it down there? And there it is. Oh, whoopee bloody doo-doo. Oh, thanks, metal detector. I'd never found that without the metal detector. Just put you there for a minute. Blimey, O'Reilly, that was lucky. Can't believe it. I found it. I found it, Tim, Andrew. I found it. We were searching everywhere for it tonight. I think that took me about 10 minutes, didn't it? Just shows you, didn't it, with a metal detector. It's a good idea getting the right pinging noise, the numbers, so I could detect it with the spare one. Oh, that's brilliant. Oh, I'm so bloody chuffed. Right, I can relax now. I don't know how much these mics are spare to buy. I bet they're a bloody fortune, because the whole system's quite expensive to buy a mic on its own. But anyway, we're back with 2 mics again. Lovely jubbly. It's going to be a lovely day today by the look of it. Another lovely sunny day. That's 4 sunny days on the trot. How about that? Still chilly though. Bit of a chill in the wind. There you go, Tim, Andrew, I found it. Right, I'll catch you later. I had an idea last night when we were searching for it. I plugged in my mic adapter, my receiver on the iPhone, got my other mic out. That was working okay, so I turned the spare mic off and I just left the receiver on. And what I did, I went on the beach, blowing my bloody mouth organ, my harmonica. I was walking like like the bloody piper, walking along the beach, blowing my mouth organ, trying to get a signal on the receiver, hoping that I'd pick up the mic was on the beach, and if I went over it with the sound, it'd come up on the receiver, and I'd know where the mic area, where the mic was, because it'd pick it up on the receiver. What a prat, eh? But anyway, that didn't work, because it's down there, that's why. But anyway, I look like the bloody Pied Piper, blowing my bloody mouth organ, trying to get a signal on the receiver on the mic. What a pillock, eh? I think Tim may have filmed it, I don't know, he said he'd got some clips of it, whether it's any good. If you got some clips, he'll send them across and I'll show you. Looks alright, plonker. Just like Peter Pan or the Pied Piper. Walking along the beach, blowing my bloody mouth organ, trying to find my bloody mic. I don't know. Oh, the sun's getting to me. Catch you later. I'm just down at Brodick here doing some shopping, get some supplies, a bit of diesel as well. Just noticed some kit cars. I think they're kit cars. They're like bloody aeroplanes without the wings. They're amazing. Absolutely amazing. I'll just show you the videos of that now, guys. Lovely pieces of kit. I wouldn't mind driving one of those around the island. That'd be nice. Right, we'll crack on.